Have you ever fantasized about getting paid the big bucks to goof around on your phone all day? It seems that that's exactly what happens when you figure out how to monetize TikTok. Are you wondering how to make money on TikTok? Well, you're in the right place. For in this video, we're going to look at 5 ways to start making money on TikTok. And before we get started on the video, please go ahead and hit that like button so this video reaches more people. And let's get started. We see it every day. There are tons of influencers making millions of dollars a year through their TikTok accounts. And that's no mystery. TikTok has grown incredibly fast since its debut in 2016. It's the first app not owned by Facebook to hit 3 billion installs. While monetizing your TikTok account isn't an easy task to accomplish, it's absolutely achievable if you have the dedication, strategy, and willingness to learn how it's done. So first off, we have number 1. Become a TikTok influencer. You know the saying, build it and they will come. This concept applies to TikTok too. If you build an account with a loyal and engaged following, you will be able to score influencer partnerships with brands all over the world that want to connect with your audience. In an influencer marketing arrangement, a brand will ask you to promote their products or services in your TikTok videos. The most common type of payment is money or free stuff from the company. For example, Charli D'Amelio, one of the biggest TikTokers out there, is an influencer for P&G, one of the biggest brands out there. While some people think that you need millions of followers like Charli to become an influencer, that's not the case. A lot of brands prefer to work with micro-influencers or influencers with a smaller number of followers. The definition of a micro-influencer can be different depending on who you are talking to and the size of the market you are targeting, but it's generally between 5,000 or 50,000 followers. To become a successful influencer, it's a good idea to have a niche or a specific theme or topic for your account and posts. This way, brands will be able to clearly identify if you're a good match for the products and services they'd like you to help promote. Number 2. Grow and sell TikTok accounts. Many businesses would like to have a presence on TikTok, but don't have the time or resources to create and grow an account. Why not offer them the fast track to TikTok growth? You can do this by growing and selling TikTok accounts. For some time now, people have built social media accounts and sold them to make money. To successfully sell TikTok accounts, you need more than just an attractive range of videos on your account. You'll also need a specific focus and a dedicated following. Themed or niche accounts are easier to sell because the buyer can continue creating the same kind of content after the purchase to maintain followers. For example, if you sell an account that features short videos related to unboxing, the brand you sell to can continue posting the same type of videos in the future. Personal accounts are much harder to sell because followers may be drawn to the person rather than the style of content. When flipping TikTok accounts, you'll need to build a strong content strategy, engage with followers regularly, and give buyers advice on how to get further engagement on their newly bought account. Next, we have number 3. Publish sponsored posts. Another way to monetize your TikTok account is through sponsored content. This is when brands approach you or you approach them to feature their offerings in your video. In return, they pay you a fee to compensate for your service. You can start by working with smaller brands to build up your portfolio. Reach out to local businesses in your area to see if they'd be interested in getting featured on TikTok. It might be a good idea to charge a minimum fee in the beginning, then work your way up once you start gaining recognition as a TikTok creator. Next, number 4. Sell your own products. If you're in the US, Canada, or the UK and have a TikTok for Business account, you might be able to add a shopping tab and product links to your profile. The shopping tab is basically a new feature resulting from TikTok's partnership with Shopify. It's designed to help TikTokers with the Shopify store promote their products through the app. Users who click a product link are redirected to a merchant's Shopify store for purchase. Although it's not a direct way of making money on TikTok, you'd still earn by generating sales for your business. Here's a pro tip. If you don't have a lot of followers on TikTok, you can endorse your products by creating unique TikTok videos. For instance, if you have a business selling food products, you can make a 30-second recipe videos and share them on TikTok. Be creative. And now we're down to the last one. Number 5. Collect donations. TikTok has an interesting feature called coins. If you're eligible to live stream, you can collect these coins from your most dedicated and adoring followers. Then you can eventually exchange them for cash. Here's how it works. Say that your biggest fan purchases coins. If you're live streaming, that user can send you coins or use those coins to buy you gifts. You can then turn coins and gifts into diamonds, then convert diamonds into cash using PayPal. Pretty cool, right? The only catch is that live streaming isn't open to everyone. TikTok hand selects users for live streaming, so you'll need to have a solid account before you can monetize TikTok with this option. The Chinese version of TikTok, Douyin, has a similar feature. During a live stream, an account owner can offer a shopping cart option, so they can directly sell their products and services during the live stream. Some people predict that this feature will be coming to TikTok eventually, which would be another awesome approach to making money on TikTok. And there you have it. I hope this video helps you. And if it did, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification so you can be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends, let me show you the world's fastest and 100% mobile responsive builder, where you can create landing pages, funnels, lead pages, memberships, corporate sites, and more in just a few clicks. And that is CloudFunnels by Technic4ce. Create an amazing funnels and landing pages. Build your dream site with CloudFunnels. You can create beautiful web pages. Click and modify, no coding required. Create funnels with upsells, downsells, and order bumps. Grab leads and send emails. And it supports all major payment gateways. And it has memberships. So try CloudFunnels now. Just go to yournextfunnel.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.